Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 13,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton.